So we were trying to make dinner tonight. Just opened this can of sauerkraut from Walmart, great value, and found what appears to be part of a bird. These are feathers. Dump it out and see. Oh gosh, that was more of whatever creature this is in our sauerkraut. That's no longer going to be our dinner. That's disgusting. That was found in our great value sauerkraut. Just bought it the other day at Walmart. Our label date is, sell by date is good. Just had really gross stuff in it. So, I wasn't sure at first because we don't use sauerkraut very much. I was using a new recipe and I thought, well, maybe there's purple cabbage in there. Wasn't sure till I saw the feathers, and that is definitely not purple cabbage. That is some kind of bird in our can of sauerkraut.